how to plot x on y-axis using Microsoft Excel. So look at this beautiful plot here. The plot is the effect of temperature on emotion size. If you look at it, this is temperature and this. We plotted the temperature against the days for this data. So what we'll do is that if you look at it, the first thing to do is you go to insert. You will not highlight this your data. You just go to insert, go to line plot, because line plot is very good when you are plotting data over time, like over the years, over the month, or over days. So we go to line chart, or if you go to recommended chart, so just go to line chart, pick the line chart you want, or pick this to give you an empty chart. To give you an empty chart, you right click. When you right click, you select data. Select data. This site gives legend entries. This legend entry series is for the y-axis. This is where you arrange your y-axis. This horizontal categorical axis is for your x-axis. So in this place, we have three data. We have effect of temperature at 55 degrees Celsius, effect of temperature at 25 degrees Celsius, and effect of temperature at 4 degrees Celsius. We are going to plot all this temperature against the days. As 0 day, we have this. At day 5, we have this. At day 10, we have this. At day 15, we have this. So I want to plot all this against this. So the first thing to do is you go to add this place, this series name. Let's start from this 65 degrees Celsius. You click this. This is the name of our series. Then go to series value. You claim the one that is there. Delete it. Then you pick the series value. And press OK. Look at it. You do again add series name 25 degrees Celsius, series value, the value of your series, highlight the value of the series, press OK. So you go to add again 4 degrees Celsius, the name of our series, your series value, you pick your series value, you press OK. So we are done with the y-axis. So you go to x-axis, look at it, edit, then you pick your days, and press enter. Then you pick OK. Look at it, go to this press sign, go to chart, title, and add this title. Then this is your days, and this is temperature. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.